Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download ServiceNow Learning achievements for LinkedIn credibility, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your ServiceNow account. Once logged in, navigate to the Learning section. Locate the Achievements tab on your dashboard. Click on the Achievements tab to view your completed courses and certifications. Select the specific achievement you want to download. On the Achievement Details page, look for the Download option. Click the Download button to save your achievement certificate. Choose a suitable format if prompted, usually PDF is preferred. Once downloaded, locate the file on your device. Next, log in to your LinkedIn account. Navigate to your profile page by clicking on your profile picture. Scroll down to the Licenses and Certifications section. Click on the plus button to add a new certification. Enter the name of the certification from ServiceNow. Fill in the issuing organization with ServiceNow. Optionally, add the issue date and expiration date if applicable. Upload the downloaded certificate file as a supporting document. Review all the information to ensure accuracy. Finally, click Save to add the certification to your LinkedIn profile. Your ServiceNow Learning achievement is now successfully added to your LinkedIn, boosting your professional credibility. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.